Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the True Life Podcast. Another episode of 10. Today we will be covering 10 secrets of Kung Fu. Let's get into it. Number 1, harmony of mind and body. Kung Fu emphasizes the unity of mental and physical aspects, teaching practitioners to synchronize their thoughts and movements. Number 2, breath control. Proper breathing techniques are a fundamental secret in Kung Fu, promoting stamina, energy flow, and focus during training and combat. Number 3, flexibility and fluidity. Kung Fu secrets lie in cultivating flexibility and fluidity, allowing practitioners to adapt swiftly and seamlessly to various situations. Number 4, understanding energy, Qi. Kung Fu involves harnessing and directing internal energy, known as Qi, through specific movements and postures for enhanced power and balance. Number 5, pressure points and joint locks. Knowledge of pressure points and joint locks is a secretive aspect of Kung Fu, enabling practitioners to manipulate opponents with minimal force. Mental discipline. Kung Fu is not just physical. Mental discipline, focus, and concentration are crucial secrets for achieving mastery. Number 7, animal styles. Many Kung Fu styles mimic the movements and characteristics of animals, each imparting unique secrets for combat and self-defense. Weapon mastery. Secrets of Kung Fu include proficiency with traditional weapons such as staff, sword, and nunchucks, enhancing both offensive and defensive capabilities. Balance and center of gravity. Kung Fu emphasizes maintaining a low center of gravity and perfect balance, providing stability and agility in movements. Number 10, philosophical wisdom. Beyond physical techniques, Kung Fu holds secrets of philosophical wisdom, instilling virtues like humility, respect, and perseverance in its practitioners. That's all we got for today, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed this version of 10 Secrets of Kung Fu.